on YouTube? Welcome to Beemer Fam. You guys join me here with my straight pipe BMW M4. So we're gonna be heading to an illegal car meet tonight. We're gonna see what kind of action we can get into. A lot of supercars, a lot of BMWs, a lot of Mercedes, just a lot of performance cars you guys are gonna see in tonight's video. So with that being said, let's hop inside the M4 and get on the road. So before we continue on with today's video, I want to thank the sponsor, which is Simply Carbon Fiber. Simply Carbon Fiber offers genuine carbon fiber accessories, like my favorite, the carbon fiber money clip. It's a great, easily accessible and minimalistic form of holding your cash, or your driver's license, and even your credit card. And not only that, it comes in forged carbon fiber like this one, or you can get the more traditional type carbon fiber. And the weave is literally a direct match to the carbon fiber inside of my BMW M4. And on top of that, they also have watches, sunglasses, phone cases, and even more genuine carbon fiber accessories. So if you guys are interested in some real genuine carbon fiber accessories, make sure you click the links in the description. Use the code BF10 for 10% off your order. And with that being said, let's get back on the road and get on with today's video. Just like that, we are on the highway en route to the location. So we're about 10 minutes out. Luckily, this meet is super close to where we're at right now. We're already only 10 minutes away from the location. With less being said, let's go ahead and pull up. Oh my gosh. This car is skating. Ooh, we can already hear some cars crackling as well. So if I didn't know any better, this looks a little sketch. I mean, it's very industrial, no residential, which is good in case people want to, you know, get it going, right? With the M4 parked up, a whole bunch of cars around us. So I guess we're gonna chill here for a bit before we start the rally. So I think we have about a half hour before everybody gets in their cars. We're gonna take a walk around the meet, see exactly what kind of cars we have here. Wow, so far there's some pretty unique cars here, including this wide body Porsche. Seems to have been made from scratch. We're just waiting for a few more cars to turn up. We're gonna hop on the road. Oh, this G80 is clean. Love these things black. Look at that. Wow, check out this AMG. It's almost like a dark brown color. Really nice. Taking the Beamer or the AMG? Beemer Fam. Hey, what's up, man? So if you guys remember, I parked all the way at the end by the fence. There's no cars around me. Look at this now. My car is all the way back there.
Going right now. Make your way to the Malibu Autobahn booth. Please make your way to the booth, and we're gonna head out.
Check out the turnout.
All right, how's everybody doing tonight? Good. All right. Please don't hit any cars, and thank you guys all so much for coming out. I will see you at Rodeo Drive.
We're not gonna be able to get out of here for a while, so. Sounds nice. Woo. Woo. Oh, now it sounds like the Autobahn. Wow. Check this out. Oh, yeah. Nice. This event was so quiet. That was so loud. So as you can hear, everybody's getting inside the cars. Let's see what kind of cars we can chase tonight. Obviously we got a few supercars, some AMGs, proper M cars, so let's hop inside the M4 and get on the road. As you can see, we're in the M4 now. Shout out to this E39 528. Literally my first car. I had one in jet black, and I got the E39 M5, and now I have this. But as you can see, we're on some Fast and Furious vibes tonight. Nice AMG right there as well. Check out the Roadster app. You can see everybody who's participating in this event and their whole location, and then you can also track the route. Here we go. Man, this M4 handles like something else. That's an AMG, listen to that. Oh my god. Listen to that S63. Yo, that S-Class is hilarious. Just got off the highway on Sunset Boulevard. We're heading over to Beverly Hills because apparently this car meet is going to shut down Rodeo Drive, so we're going to see how that goes. Just like that, we are in Beverly Hills, so let's go ahead and pull up to Rodeo. Check out this California T Ferrari. Stage 2, Alpine Motorsport. Yours sounds good too. Huh? I said yours sounds good too. Stock? Okay. Have a good night. Oh, there are cops everywhere. Let's go straight efficient mode. Oh man, it looks like this street is already shut down. Find a place to park up. Look at that C63, like a Miami blue C63. So here we go. So I'm gonna park up with the AMGs. Oh, cop got him. Oh, let's go. We got a man down. Jeez. They came with force today. And of course it's a Camaro. Man, that's not a good look. So I'm gonna have you guys guess, what kind of ticket do you think was given out tonight? No, at least the cop waved, so it's being cool. Ooh, look at this Viper TA. Oh, that's sick. Somebody he's talking to the cop. Oh boy, listen to that. That's loud. It's an interesting night on Rodeo out here. We got cops arguing with pedestrians, people getting pulled over. Oh boy. Oh my gosh. First the Camaro, now a Mustang. I mean, this Mustang drew 4 different cop cars. Oh, that's a little stressful. I mean, I'm honestly a little confused. I don't even know what the Mustang did. He drove right past us, and that's when that cop just sped up to go get him, and all of them just pulled him over. So I don't really know. This Cullinan right next to a cop car. That is a interesting combo. That white Cullinan is just sick, though. Check out the C63S in like a Miami type blue. Looks really good, especially with these canards, carbon fiber. This really extended front splitter. I mean, this might be the nicest C63S I've ever seen. So we just left Rodeo. It seemed like the meet kind of just died off. Cops kind of shut everything down. Everybody kind of dispersed. So I think it's safe to say we can just head on back and close out the night. So this is what a Saturday night in West Hollywood looks like. I mean, this is pretty much the club central of Hollywood. That Miata. Oh, yo, that Miata sounds insane. So that's just about do it for today's video. If you guys enjoyed, make sure to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Check us out on Instagram at Beemer Fam. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.